Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a support ticket when you need assistance from the Invent ERP team. Let's get started. First, head to the main menu. Click on My Tickets. You'll land on the support dashboard. From here, you can create new tickets, view existing ones, and track everything in one place. Scroll down, and you'll see a quick overview of your ticket statuses and subjects. Scroll a bit more, and you'll find a monthly summary of your submitted tickets. At the top of the dashboard, you can also filter tickets by date to quickly find what you're looking for. Now let's go ahead and create a new support ticket. The ticket creation page will appear, and you can start filling out the form. First, give your ticket a clear ticket name. Next, enter the subject of your ticket. Enter your email address where updates should be sent. Add the name of the person to contact. Add your phone number, in case the support team needs to contact you directly. Now, provide a detailed description of the issue you're facing. Be as specific as possible. This helps the support team assist you faster. If you have any relevant files, screenshots, or logs, you can attach them here. Everything looks good? Click Save to submit your ticket. Your ticket has been successfully created. For ongoing communication, just scroll down to the message center to view or send replies related to your ticket. Want a faster way to submit a ticket? Use the quick links. From there, just click Open a Ticket. And that's it, you've just created a support ticket in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.